In equipment deals, we've got a PC240 LC machine, guys. This is the second one of the bunch. It's got an 80-inch bucket on it, Ox hydraulics, pretty decent undercarriage, guys, and engine runs well. No smoke from the engine, no blow-by of any sort. I will state there is some hydraulic noise. I'm not really sure what it's causing it, but it sounds like there's a dry pump or a pump that's got some issues. Besides that, guys, pretty nice machine, you know, for the hours it has. No excessive leaks of any sort. Down here by the engine. Engine runs well. Pump is actually dry. There's no visible leaks on the outside. But it is making some sort of noise. We'll show that. We're not going to push this machine because we don't want to tear anything up more than it may already be. But 80-inch Komatsu bucket. It does have some some wear in the bottom. Ox hydraulics. The boom is straight. You know, there's no major bends or breaks. Those seem to be pretty good. Go ahead and hop up in the cab or the engine compartment here. Show the engine. The engine runs real well. Nice and smooth. Zero blow-by. Runs excellent on the engine side. Looks to me all the DEF system's still intact as well. Go ahead and close that lid. It's got an automatic greaser. Again, Ox hydraulics on this machine. That seems pretty good. That cylinder's not leaking. That one may be seeping some, but that's kind of normal. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate just real briefly on this machine. Here we go, guys. Again, we're not going to push this machine. We're just only doing this so you can see all the functions work. Alright guys, as you can see, all the functions work. Again, there's some sort of noise that we're not going to push this machine past. We don't want to tear anything up. It's got 9,314 hours showing there on the meter. It's probably pretty accurate based on the condition of the machine. You know, that pin on the bucket seems to be pretty tight. And it's got Ox hydraulics, guys, so pretty nice machine. Besides the noise it's got going on there. But if you're interested in this machine, get any more questions, feel free to give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.